Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find and use the Splice tool in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a video here, and to find the Splice tool, it's right over here. So it's going to be these three right here. You can use it when you don't select the video, so when you're just on the timeline like this. So for instance, you want to splice it here, you're just going to press the split here. But if you want to split and delete, for instance, like the right side, you're going to select this one and it's going to split and cut. But if you want to select the delete and cut the left one, you're going to select the other one. And that's pretty much it. You can also select here the split one, and you can use this button to just split it in two parts. Then you can delete it manually here, and that is it. That's how you can find and use the Splice button in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!